Beware of Independence Day scam. Independence Day holds a great significance for our nation. As we celebrate with friends and family, brands have also come up with their own way to celebrate with customers. That is with sales and events. Cyber criminals are taking advantage of that. We are going to discuss some of the most prevalent Independence Day scams. Patriotic themed messaging scams. Scammers frequently utilize social media, email, and text messaging to target unsuspecting shoppers around Independence Day. They frequently employ patriotic messages to dupe individuals into revealing personal information or clicking on malicious websites. It is always vital to avoid clicking on unsolicited links in emails and text messages to avoid having your information stolen or falling victim to a scam. Also, make sure to verify the legitimacy of organizations and keep in mind that respectable charity organizations will continue to operate throughout the year. Next is online sales scams. Any holiday brings online retailer sales, which scammers may try to imitate with phony coupons or sales links. Scammers might target popular seasonal sales products as well. People should only shop with trusted sellers and make sure their payment method is secure to avoid online sales scams. Sometimes a deal is simply too good to be true. Admission ticket scams. People are more eager to go to events now more than ever. Scammers are seeking to take advantage of those willing to attend in-person events after the pandemic has been going on for well over a year. Scammers fabricate and sell tickets to events that may be fashioned to look like tickets to a local show. Always pay close attention to the name, address, and date of any ticket you want to purchase. If possible, purchase tickets directly from the event's host location. Malware, virus, and tech support scams. Unsolicited links given by unknown entities should be avoided. Malware attacks are rampant during special occasions. They may result in your devices and files getting locked and will demand money to give you the key to unlock them. So that's it from this week's CyberPeace TV episode. Thank you for watching. Have a happy and cyber safe Independence Day.